This professional indicator on TradingView will make your technical analysis 10 times more accurate and effective. Forget about drawing inaccurate support and resistance levels, trend lines, and Fibonacci retracements. This all-in-one indicator has everything to analyze price behavior at a level only 1% of traders can. In this lesson, you'll learn the most effective strategies with this tool the pros use to make consistent gains. Traders, consider the like button as adding a valuable stock to your portfolio. Tap it for good returns. And if you're looking for consistent dividends in the form of quality content, don't forget to subscribe. Without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. Before I show you strategies with this indicator, we need to understand how it works. Let's do a quick experiment. By looking at this price chart, can you tell with the naked eye where the price is likely to move next? You can take your time to examine the price action. If you're an advanced trader, spotting a major demand level at this price wasn't a big deal for you. We can see that the price broke above this strong resistance, which has become a new support. Another thing you might notice is that the market has started making higher lows. A downward trend line also got broken. Having this in place, we can confidently say that the market is about to reverse. Now let's hide these drawings and enable our magic indicator just to see if our technical analysis was correct. So, as we said, there was a major support level in this area. It was detected 100% accurately by the indicator. It's actually a demand level from a higher time frame, in this case, from the 4-hour chart. Prices always respect these levels. Just look at how many times this level has been retested in the past. It gives us plenty of confidence that the price will respect it again. Another technical analysis tool this indicator has is trend lines. They connect highs and lows. A trend line that hasn't been broken is displayed as a solid line. The ones that got broken are shown as dashed lines. The more the price respects the trend line, the better. In this example, we can clearly see that the candlestick closed above the downward trend line. This signals a potential trend change. One of the most unique features this indicator has is the multi-time frame golden pocket. In other words, this is a 0.618 Fibonacci golden ratio. If we draw a Fibonacci retracement from the latest low to the latest high, the golden ratio level is exactly in the golden pocket. When price pulls back to this level, the reversal probability is extremely high. Based on the technical analysis we've done, the price should rise in the near future. Let's see if this is true. The prediction was accurate. The price reached a 4-hour supply zone where it found strong resistance. Before we consider shorting the stock, we must ensure that the resistance level has been previously retested. Another confirmation of a trend shift to bearish is a trend line break to the downside. Overall, this indicator's features are very useful. They help traders analyze price action without having to rely on the human factor. This particular setup is highly effective at scalping on short time frames like 5, 15, and 30 minutes. Another profitable strategy with this tool is to use trend lines for trend continuation. For this strategy, a trend dashboard is enabled. With the help of this table, we can see the overall market sentiment and trend strength. When the price pulls back to the trend line for the second time without exceeding it, this is a good signal of trend continuation. Checking the trend dashboard before placing a buy order is vital. Most time frames must have a bullish bias. In this particular example, there are multiple confluences suggesting that the market is likely to continue its bullish rally. The most obvious one is the 4-hour resistance breakout to the upside, which eventually became new support. Learning how supply and demand work in trading is crucial. This indicator makes it easier to identify these key levels and act on them accordingly. The golden pocket is another thing we should pay attention to. In this case, we saw an ideal retest of a golden pocket and a trend line at the same time. Having this in place, we can surely say the market is about to take off. However, you should always remember that there is no trading strategy that works 100% of the time. Losses are inevitable. They are part of trading. We traders must find a way to maximize our odds of success as much as possible. For that, we must test every strategy on a demo account before trading with real money. However, if you're still struggling to make trading decisions because of lack of experience, I found the right solution for you: Easy Options Live Trading. This unique service gives you the opportunity to follow the lead of a professional options trader who gets a consistent 80% plus win rate. Yes, you heard that correctly. His signals are highly accurate and the process is very simple. All you need to do is attend daily live streams during market open and enter and exit trades along with Winger in real time. In addition, you'll learn high win rate strategies that will serve you for a lifetime. Click the first link in the description and secure your spot today. Now it's time to put your knowledge to practice. Your task is to identify trade opportunities based on technical analysis principles you learned today. Watch the price action carefully and try to spot buy or sell signals. This setup is pretty easy. If you've been paying close attention, you can already tell that price found support at this demand level. A fake breakout to the downside followed by an immediate price increase occurred. The next thing you probably noticed was a trendline break to the upside with strong bullish momentum. My question is, would you consider buying the stock at this price? If your answer is yes, you're absolutely correct. Let's see how this trade unfolds. By the way, the setup we're looking at took place this morning on the Ethereum 5-minute chart. This trade could have made you at least 12% profit with leverage set at 5-to-1. Traders, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Now let me demonstrate how to install this indicator on the chart. This invite-only TradingView script is called Easy Algo V10. Many of you are familiar with Easy Algo. They provide two most advanced technical analysis indicators, as well as access to a VIP Discord community where hundreds of traders chat, learn different profitable trading strategies, and get daily support. Once you activate your plan, you'll see the indicators in the Invite-Only tab. Click on Easy Algo V10 and open its settings. In the Input section, adjust the indicator as I'm doing right now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Till next time.